Hey guys, it's Butta and I'm back with a tutorial on how I make my lasagna rolls. So what you'll need is ground beef, spaghetti sauce, lasagna noodles, cheese, shredded cheese, cream cheese. I use cottage cheese and a few seasonings. I have everything that you need listed in the description below. Okay, I kind of already started, but I'm sure everybody know how to brown ground beef. That's all I've done was brown the ground beef. You can use whatever seasons you like. I used my my all-purpose seasoning, but you can use whatever seasons you like. Salt and pepper, seasoned salt, garlic pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. And I think I'm going to put a little garlic powder over in this. A little garlic powder. And a little onion powder. And that's about done. My water is boiling. I'm going to put my lasagna noodles over in the water and I'm going to let them cook. Once they're ready, I'll come back. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright guys, I'm back. Meat drained, noodles drained, cooled. So, you cook this on medium heat. And I'm going to add some sour cream. I'm sorry, y'all. This ain't sour cream. This cream cheese. I got some cream cheese, cottage cheese. Some people use ricotta cheese. It depends on how I'm feeling if I want to use ricotta cheese. If I have a taste for it, I don't like the taste of it. Add cottage cheese, and I'm going to put a little Mexican cheese, and I'm gonna put some sharp cheddar. I'm gonna use that. Oh, you're gonna eat later. So I'm just using what I had in the house just to do this video because it's been waited on. So I'm gonna add some tomato, garlic, and onion ragu. And I'm the type of person, I mix a lot of different sauces when I'm cooking. It doesn't matter what I'm cooking. My wing sauce, I mix some sauces up together and come up with another sauce. This is some 4 cheese, and it's made by Costco. This is roasted garlic and onion pasta sauce. Now I might see this red down my hand, but that comes from me cooking a red velvet cake this morning. Okay. Time to start rolling. Now it's really simple, y'all. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350. Now all you do is lay out your noodles. Okay. And here I got mild cheddar. You don't have to put a lot. You don't even have to do this step if you don't want to. The very first time I did them, I mixed together cream cheese, cottage cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella. I mixed it in a bowl and I did a spread. But I see this way to be much easier. And it's not as messy. And mozzarella. And then get some of that meat sauce. And you want it to go back in the pot. Okay. It's really simple. I promise you. It's very, very simple. Okay. All you gotta do is get your noodle and roll it. Roll it. This one has a crack in it. That's okay. Roll it. Okay? And you want the seam side down. That's it. That's all to it. So I'm gonna roll these up, and once I get them all rolled, I'm gonna show you what I put. I put sauce at the bottom of the pan. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Okay. So this leftover sauce. Get it and drizzle it in the bottom of the pan.
You know, certain one you read, because I don't know.
They are the same. Okay. So the leftover meat that I got, I'm going to just put a little, the top of each one. And then I'm going to go cheese crazy. I'm going to get a little cheddar. A little mozzarella. And I got the Mexican fork cheese. Sprinkle the top. I'm gonna put a little paprika on there for the color. It's not open. Got a little parsley. And I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Once it come out the oven, I'll show you.